Papez circuit forms an important component of limbic system concerned with emotions and memory. This circuit was described in the year 1937 by American neuroscientist Dr. James Papez. The Papez circuit consists of four important components which can be remembered by this mnemonic. He-man ate a cat. He stands for hippocampus, man stands for mammillary body, 8 stands for anterior nucleus of the thalamus, cat stands for the cingulate gyrus. The connection between these four components are the hippocampus is connected with the mammillary body through the fornix. Mammillary body is connected with the anterior nucleus of the thalamus by the mammillothalamic tract. The anterior nucleus of the thalamus is connected with the cingulum by means of internal capsule. The cingulate gyrus is further connected to the hippocampus by means of cingulum. This is how the connection between the four components of Papez circuit is established. Remember, the important function of Papez circuit is controlling emotions and storage of memory. This is one of the favorite topic of examiners, and this question was asked in INI-CET November 2023. So this could be a hot topic that you should never miss for your preparation for NEET-PG 2024. All the best.